Namaskar. While I was the Director General of the Department of Railways in Nepal, Barsil India Limited, in joint venture with the UC Engineering Corporation Korea, has prepared the detailed design of Nijgarh Hetauda Gainakot section of the East-West high-speed electrified railway project of Nepal. Surveyed the alignment along the Churia Hills with the provision of tunnels. I appreciate the hard-working and skillful performance of the railway experts representing Bharsil India. My best wishes to Bharsil to become a leader of engineering consultant, not only in the Indian subcontinent, but all over the globe under the leadership of its dynamic managing director, Mr. Sunil Silva. Thank you.